Hi, good day to you all. Welcome to another chemistry class. So now let's still continue the topic reduction, oxidation, reaction. But this time around we are going to be writing equation and balancing them. So now here we are told to write a balanced ionic equation for this redox reaction between acidified heptaoxodichromate 6 ion and chloride ions. Now I've simplified it for you. This is the heptaoxodichromate 6, Cr2O72 minus. It has a radical minus 2, going to 2Cr3 plus. Now looking at this one, what is the oxidation number of this? What is the oxidation number of this? That will enable you to know the type of reaction is undergoing, if it is a reduction or an oxidation. Now let's look at it. Chromium here is plus 6. If you find the oxidation number of chromium, it is plus 6. While here, it is plus 3. So definitely it is undergoing a reduction process. So here we have Cr2O72 minus to 2Cr3 plus is a reduction. Remember, in reduction, there is a what? A reduced number of oxidation states. The oxidation number will be what? Reduced. So here, from plus 6 to plus 3, definitely it has lost 3. So it is undergoing reduction. So now, how do we balance it? How do we balance ionic equation? Now we have written it out like this. How many molecules of oxygen do we have here? 7. On the left-hand side, we have 7. On the right-hand side, we are going to write 7H2O. Are you getting me? We are going to write 7 molecules of water. You can't just write 7 molecules of hydrogen alone. It is going together. So you are going to write both hydrogen and oxygen. Now, we want to balance by including oxygen, but we already have another hydrogen. So how many molecules do we have together? 7 times 2 will give us what? 14. So this side, we are going to write plus 14 H plus. Hello? Are you here? Can you see? We're going to write plus 14 H plus, because 7 times 2 here is 14. 7 times 1 here is 7. So the two sides are balanced with their what? Number of hydrogen and oxygen. So now what is the next thing for us to do is the number of electrons. Because if you look at it here, look at the total number of electrons we have. We have 14 plus 14. And this one is what? Minus 2. Remember, we have a minus 2 on top of this compound. Minus 2. So now plus 14 minus 2 will give us a plus 12. So here we have 14 minus 2, which will give us 12. Plus 12. But this side, what do we have? 2 molecules of Cr3 plus. 2 times 3 will give us plus 6. So in terms of the number of electrons, this equation is not balanced. So how do we balance it? We have 12, we have 6. So how many do we need for this one to be balanced? We need 6. But remember, because it is undergoing reduction, it is undergoing reduction. So that side with the highest number of electrons is the one that will have this. So here we are going to change it to plus 6E minus. Let's put our arrow here. I will rewrite it. Can you see the way I slotted everything in now? So our resulting equation is going to be this. Cr2O7, 2 minus, plus 14H plus 6E minus, to give us 2 molecules of Cr3 plus 7 molecules of water. Hello? Balanced equation. We have balanced the what? The reduction process. Now let's go to the next one, which is the oxidation process. 2 molecules of chlorine, 2Cl minus, going towards Cl2. Now, why did we say this one is undergoing oxidation? It's very simple, because here it is minus 1. And any atom any element in its free state is what? 0. Now going from -2 to 0 is increasing. So the increase in oxidation number simply signifies this equation to be an oxidation reaction. So because there is an increase, it is oxidation. Now we have -2 here, we have 0 here. How do we balance the number of electrons? There is no oxygen involved, so we don't need all this one, water and hydrogen. So here we just go straight to the number of electrons. So if this one is -2 and this one is 0, so definitely the side that has the highest number of electrons will have this, plus 2E minus. Is that taken? It will have plus 2E minus. Now the next thing we are going to do is to combine the reduction process and the oxidation process. If you look at it, we have 6 number of electrons. Meanwhile, we only have 2 here. So the number of electrons has to be what? Balanced too. We have to balance the number of electrons so that they can easily cut out. So how do we do that? So you multiply everything here by 3. Good. So what is our resulting equation? 6 Cl minus going to 3 Cl2 plus 6E minus. Sorry, let me adjust. Yeah. So you have to multiply it by 3 so that this number of electrons will be 6 and this one will be 6 so that they can easily cut out. So let me transfer this one here. Cr2 O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6E minus giving us 2Cr3 plus 7 molecules of water. So this one here will cut out this one here. So now let's combine the left hand side and the right hand side. So what is our left hand side? Cr2O7 minus plus 6Cl minus plus 14H plus. The arrow will now give us 2Cl3 plus 3Cl2 plus 7 molecules of water. Because our number of electrons are cut out, we can easily combine this equals this. Then our equation is balanced. This is how you balance a redox reaction. This is how you balance a what? A redox reaction. Okay? We'll see you next class. Take care. Ciao.